Hi everyone, welcome to Salesforce Sunday. This is the first video of the series. In today's session, I'm going to show you how quickly you can create a custom object using a spreadsheet. This is a super handy feature when you want to save time and avoid creating fields one by one. So I'm already logged into my developer org, and then I'm gonna go to this gear icon to go to setup. And then you'll notice that I'm using the incognito mode. So this functionality sometimes you get an error when you use the normal Chrome. So if you get an error while trying to upload the data, just try it in incognito mode. So now I'm in setup, and then I'm gonna go to Object Manager. Then in Object Manager, there's this button here that says Create. You click on that, and then you click on Create Object from Spreadsheet. Now while I'm here, and then I'm gonna upload file from my computer, and then this is the spreadsheet that I've prepared. So in this spreadsheet I have columns that has I have columns that I've listed as part of my fields, and then I have data that I also want to import together with the columns after they created and the object is created. So I'm gonna choose the student, then it's gonna load that spreadsheet here. And then what you can do from here, you can see that you can it detected a row, or you can enter manually the field labels. Here you can choose to import the data, or you can skip the data import. So for this demo purpose, I'm gonna import the data as well. And then this one, the Salesforce record name field. This one I'm just gonna let Salesforce create the default name record. So if you can see here, my name is a text field, so it detected the type of data that I want there. But for my cost type, I want it to be a pick list. So I have that flexibility to come here on the field data types and change it. So I'm gonna change it to pick list. And this cost length is an integer, the age is an integer, and the cost name is a text, and that's that. And then here you have an option to add them to your default layouts. If you don't want, you can uncheck this thing. And then now, since I'm happy with everything that I see here, I'm gonna click next. And then here you get to choose the object label. And then my name is my label here is fine. And then my plural label, I just need to change this to put an S into this. So just a sec, let me do this. Then I'm gonna add an S. Then I'm gonna go ahead and click on finish. So this is creating an object for me, and then creating also those records. So once it's done, we'll go into the org and see these things. Yeah, now it is done. And once it's done, you also get an email from Salesforce to say this is done. So let me go back to my Salesforce org and then check the data that was created and the fields as well. So let's start with checking the fields and the object. So let me reload this thing. Then my object name is student. Scroll to check my student. Actually, let me just search it here. Student. So you see, here's my object that was created today. There's the object. And then let's check the fields and relationships. So all my fields are here, they are created, as you can see. So you can also go ahead and change them if you want to change like the length of this. If you want to change this length, it's not gonna be satisfactory for your needs, so you can go ahead and change that as well. So let's check the data that actually got created as well. So let me also reload this. And then I'm gonna search student because it may not be okay. Then on students, let's see the data that was created. So this is the data that was created that came from the spreadsheet. So one thing that you can create with this method is the relationships. So you can create a lookup or a master detail relationship. But if maybe you found a way to create it, please comment below and let me know how I can do it. I'm happy to check it out. Thank you. See you on the next video.